We are in Indagaon range at Talakot camp in USTR. If you see, we are at a very interesting site. We are at the border of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. On the back side of me, it is Odisha, where there are a lot of villages, complete, living population out here. On the backside of this, from 1 kilometer from here, the South Udanti core range of USTR starts. So this place is a very sensitive zone in every sense. Animals in summers, because there is no water inside here, come out to the villages and drink water. So the conflict happens, the chances of hunting also goes up. So we are trying to stop all of it by giving water inside through a solar system from Talakot camp to inside the forest. The two water bodies will feed a lot of animals, including cheetahs, langurs, a leopard which moves very regularly out here, hyena, wild boars. So yes, a very important place. Water body 1, Talakot. Water body 2, Talakot. Good afternoon. We are at Gatabara camp in Risgaon range in Udanti Sitanti Tiger Reserve. With the help of Earth Brigade Foundation and Dr. Jay Ghosh, we have been able to install a solar electrification system and solar pumping system of an HP in this site. This was an old camp which was non-functional completely. Nobody used to stay here because of no electricity and water out here. And because of the help of the donors and the forest department, we have been able to now install these systems out here, and the jockey has been made functional again. The staff will be now staying permanently. The staff of 3 will be staying here. Apart from this, there was no water in this area. 2 kilometers away, there is a village out there, and the animals in summers used to go towards the village, and that was the only place. So conflict used to happen, plus the chances of hunting also used to go up. So because of this, we have actually now tried to give water inside here with 2 water bodies which are 1.5 kilometer apart, and we'll be giving water here. This will help the animals. The pressure will be released here with the 2 water bodies. The animals will stay inside the forest, and they will be able to survive peacefully out there. And that's what we are looking at. Also, I'm looking at that, the animals like sloth bear, leopards, cheetahs, nilgai, barking deers are in good numbers out here. So if we are able to sustain water here, which we'll be able to do now, and also the electrification system which will help the people stay here, so they will be also taking care of the other issues out here. So the safety will also be guaranteed out here. The animals will be able to thrive well here. Thank you.
मैं BS राजपूत, सहायक संचालक सीता नदी नगरी, वन मंडल उदंती सीता नदी टाइगर रिजर्व गरियाबंद। मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ डॉक्टर जय घोष जी का कि उनके माध्यम से हमारे USTR के गाताबाहरा पेट्रोलिंग कैंप में सोलर सिस्टम फिट किया गया है, जिसमें से हमें लाइट और सोलर के माध्यम से पंप संचालित किया जा रहा है, जो हम वाइल्ड लाइफ के लिए जल आपूर्ति कर पाएंगे पिंच पीरियड में, और इसके साथ ही हमारे पेट्रोलिंग श्रमिकों को पानी भी उपलब्ध होगा पेयजल के रूप में, साथ ही लाइट का भी सुविधा हो रहा है। ये बहुत बड़े हमारे टाइगर रिजर्व के लिए उपलब्धि है। तो मैं अंत में बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूँ डॉक्टर जय घोष जी का कि वो दिनों दिन इसी कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते रहे और ईश्वर उनको संबल प्रदान करते रहे।
Hi, we are in Goramal in Indagaon range in Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve. We have done a very interesting site in Goramal out here. If you see, this is a beautiful grassland out here. This has been created because a village was evacuated and moved from here. If you see, I find this one of the best grasslands in the entire Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve. There is a proposed fencing out there to stop the animals coming inside, the villagers coming inside. It will happen very soon. So the entire 2-kilometer area will be fenced, and the entire grassland, which is a huge grassland, will be available for the herbivorous animals to breed and to grow out here. If you see, we have done a 1 HP system out here. We have given water to 2 water bodies, and we have left 1 tap for the plantation out here, because plantation will also happen here, and it will help the entire ecosystem out here. So we are expecting that the water out here will help the grassland to grow really well and the animals to stay here. You can see cheetahs, leopard, you can see sloth bear very regularly coming out here. So yes, this is one change we want to see in this forest, a beautiful grassland growing in future out here. Thank you.